Hi guys! So I have a friend, a very close friend of mine from my childhood who is also Colombian just like me, and her mom is like really good at cooking. She has her own like cooking blog thing, and she has given me a bunch of cool recipes. She knows that I'm like really iffy in the kitchen, so she gave me step by step on how to make a basic chicken soup with not a lot of ingredients because it's still quarantine here in Manhattan and I'm not really going out outside, so I kind of got to work with what I have, and really the only chicken I have are chicken legs. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a Colombian chicken soup using chicken legs. So let's get started.
Season this and cook these in a homemade recipe my friend's mom gave me.
If you are new to cooking just like me, don't forget that this is the judge-free zone, and if it comes out good, we're gonna eat them, and if it comes out bad, we're still gonna eat them. Don't mind me looking a little rusty. I just finished a really tough booty workout, but now I need some protein, so let's get started. Lemon juice, 100% lemon. It hurts.
So far, so good.
I'm excited about this. I have a feeling I'm gonna crush this recipe. We're going to add some garlic. I'm using minced garlic. Just a little bit. I'm adding about a tablespoon. I'm gonna add this vegan chicken seasoning. Obviously, I'm not vegan or whatever. I'm eating chicken, but not that there's anything wrong with being vegan. I would love to do it, but I can't. But I went to Trader Joe's and this is the only chicken seasoning I found, so this is what we're gonna use. Just a little bit. Let's use this. Once again, this is in New York, Manhattan, small, antique kitchen, so not the best. Parsley. Let's add some pepper. Okay, it's smelling good. It smells good. Long onions to add to the soup. We're going to put some water to boil to make the chicken soup while the chickens are pre-cooking. soup is finished. We have to try it. It's very hot, but it looks really good.
And it's the first time I made such a good soup from scratch.
Let's try it. Wow. 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 This is so good, guys. It's amazing. Wow. Gonna try a piece of chicken. I am ecstatic right now. I know chicken soup is like a basic for a lot of people, but anyone who knows me knows that cooking is not my thing at all. So me being able to do this right now is beyond. Wow. I can't believe I made this. I cannot believe I made this. And I needed some protein because, as you guys can see, I've been killing the game with my workouts, but all I eat is fish. So I was like, let me switch it around a little bit and add some chicken to the game.